Hello everyone, I'm Totti. I'm a CFA and FRM chart holder. During the past 3 years, I passed all levels of CFA and FRM examinations on my first attempt with high marks. Today, I create a YouTube channel to introduce something about CFA and FRM program to help candidates prepare those examinations efficiently. In today's video, I will unbox my CFA certificate, which I spent enormous time, energy, and money on it. First, I'd like to introduce the timetable from I received the result to got the certificate. I got the result from CFA Institute on 20th August 2019, and I was informed that I passed. So I could apply for the CFA certificate if I had 4 years qualified working experience. And then I submitted the application at the beginning of September. About 10 to 12 days later, I succeeded in this application, and then I should wait for the physical certificate. After a long time waiting, I received the certificate on 20th November 2019. Well, this is the parcel I received a few months ago. My certificate is in this cylindrical box. First, let us see some information in the label. Here we can see this parcel was mailed on the 3rd of October 2019, and I received it on 20th of November, so 49 days. Yeah, it's quite a long time. And here, from the CFA Institute 915 is the High Street, under the contents document. Okay, this is the label from the US Post, and this one is the label from New Zealand Post. Okay, I will unbox it now. Whoa, it's quite a big one. Okay, this is my CFA certificate. Well, let us see more details about my certificate. First, we can see CFA Institute. The Board of Governors of CFA Institute confers the right to use the Chartered Financial Analysis (CFA). My name and my chart number. There is a red seal, 2 signatures, one from the chairman and the other from the president. CFA logo. Okay, this is the whole information about my certificate. Okay, this is today's video. On the next time, I will introduce some basic information about CFA program and how to prepare CFA level 1. See you next time.